Hi friends, I am Lakshman. In this video we are going to see the model portfolio for module 11 Pedagogy of Languages. We have successfully completed the portfolios of 10 modules. If anybody are not completed any of these 10 portfolios, I will give the portfolio submission links and model portfolio video links in the description below the video. Okay, and if you are watching our channel first time, and if you are not subscribed our channel still now, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon and select all, and then you will get the notifications directly to your mobile when I upload the videos. And do like, share and tell your opinion in comment box. Okay, let us see the model portfolio. What is given in the model? Let us see the portfolio. What is given? Choose any topic and prepare a lesson plan including pre-reading, while reading, post-reading, vocabulary, grammar, writing activities, and also addresses issues such as gender sensitivity, inclusion, environmental sensitivity, etc. Okay, let us see the model portfolio for this portfolio activity. So this is the portfolio what I wrote. You can see here the portfolio what I prepared. Let us see what I wrote and how I wrote in a portfolio in detail. This is the module 11 Pedagogy of Languages portfolio activity. Name of the teacher, name of the school. You have to write the basic details of the teacher, and after subject English, class 4, unit 3, the wind, topic green is life. So learning outcomes of the selected topic is children will be able to know the importance of plants and trees, know the uses of plants and trees, know the process of purification of air by plants and trees. Next, teaching learning process. First one, pre-reading. So you have to write the 2 activities for every process, that is pre-reading. We have to write 2 activities, that is activity 1, look at the picture, observe and talk about the picture. This is the picture. We have to ask the children, look at this picture and observe and talk about this picture, and what is this picture about, what things do you find in the picture, who is the man in the picture, what are the people in the picture talking about. We have to ask the children and ask these questions, and the children have to respond and tell their answers in their own words. And the activity 2. Here keywords like garden, house, beautiful, trees, plants, daughter, father, etc. write on the board. These words you have to write on the board, and children have to identify and circle those words in the paragraph. Okay, like that in this picture, like we have to write the words on the board, and children have to identify those words and circle those words in the paragraph in a lesson. That is the activity 2. Next, second one, while reading. Here while reading, first step 1, that is the model reading, means lesson reading by the teacher with gestures, that is facial expressions, and children listen the lesson only. Okay, that is the step 1. And step 2, reading by the teacher, children follow the teacher. Okay, and step 3, teacher and children reading simultaneously. These are the 3 steps. After completion of these 3 steps, we have to give the activity 1, individual reading. Reading by the children individually, and the teacher corrects the pronunciation or any mistakes of the children. Children circle the hard words in the paragraph. So like this, like in this picture, children individually read the paragraph, and the teacher corrects the any pronunciation or any mistakes of the children, and also the children circle the hard words in a paragraph individual. Next, activity 2, shared reading. In a shared reading means divide the children in the class into groups. Children read the paragraphs in the lesson in groups and discuss, share their opinions, express the meaning of the paragraphs in their own words. Like in this picture, the children, we have to divide the class into groups, and they have to discuss and share their opinions or share their expressions in their own words about that concern paragraph or in a lesson. Next, activity 3, pause and recall. Children read the paragraph. After 3-4 sentences, you have to ask the children stop reading and ask the children to express their own words or recall what they what they read. After that, continue the reading and stop, recall, do like this. Okay, that means you have to while the children reading the paragraph, you have to ask the children to stop after 2 or 3 sentences, and the children have to tell or recall and express in his own words what they read. Like this is the pause and recall activity. Next, post reading. In this post reading activity 1, I prepared this back to the board activity. Let us see what is the back to the board. Here, back to the board means divide the children in the class into groups. One child from each group come and sit back to the board. The teacher write the word on the board. The concerned group members have to give clues to the child. By using those clues, child have to tell right word and get 2 marks. Continue this process to remaining groups also. Ask 2 or 3 words to each group. Those who get more score, announce them as winners. Here you can see like this in this picture. For example, 3 children from 3 groups sit back to the board. And for example, first child from group A, you have to write one word on the board. For example, garden. Then the group A child have to tell that garden word by giving a clues by their group members. The group A group members have to give the clue for the garden. For example, garden word, what are the clues means the place which we grow flowers or vegetables. Like that they have to give the clue. Then the group A child tell the right word by using those clues, garden. Like that, trees also, trees which trees ask the one word trees to the group B child. Then the group B members give the clues. What is the clue for tree means which gives us shade or fruits or flowers. Like that they have to giving clues. By using those clues, the child sitting back to the board tell the word like the trees. Like that you have to give 2 or 3 words. You have to ask 2 or 3 words from each child from each group, and if those who got more marks, you have to announce them as a winners. This is the back to the board activity. Second activity 2, making questions. Divide the children in the class into groups. Select one writer from each group. Read 1 or 2 paragraphs in a groups. Discuss and frame 2 or 3 questions from each group and dictate the questions to the writer. Writer writes the questions in a notebook. So, okay, one person from each group come front and read the questions what they framed, and remaining group members have to answer to those questions. Continue this with the remaining groups also. This is the make questions in a groups. Next, vocabulary. Vocabulary activity 1. Look at the following words. Make a new word by adding a letter before the first letter of the given words. The word in the lesson help you. For example, row. If you add the first letter G to that word, then it become a new word, grow. Like that the children have to do this activity. And second one, activity 2. Look at the following words from new words from them by removing the first letter in each case. So let us see here. We can see here the first example, price. If you remove the letter first letter P, then it become rice. In the rice, if we remove the letter R, it become ice. Like that remaining words also the children have to do this activity. Second one, next fifth one, grammar. In this grammar I am introducing the action words and verb agreement conditions. Okay, on the basis of these two verb agreement and action words, I gave the 2 activity. Activity 1 on action words. Put out some sentences which contain action words that refer to day-to-day activities and actions happening now at present from the lesson. That means the children are put out some sentences which contain action words from the textbook. They have to read the textbook and they have to identify the sentences which contain the action words. They have to write here. And activity 2, now this is the verb agreement activity, verb agreement. Now fill in the blanks taking the right action word given in the brackets. This is the activity 2. Next, Sixth one, writing activity. Writing activity, activity 1. Write a few suggestions to your gardener for speedy growth of the garden. The first one is given to you. So children have to write the suggestions to their gardener for speedy growth of the garden. One is done for them. One is given to them. Supply enough water to the plants on time. The remaining points the children have to write. And activity 2. How are the trees useful for us? This is the portfolio for the module 11 pedagogy of languages. Subscribe and click on bell icon and select all, and do like, share, comment. Thank you.